Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today focus is on iterate and improve. Yes, dear friends, this exact information emphasizes the importance of continuous refinement in machine learning journey. Building a model is not one-time task. It's a process of constant iteration, improvement, and optimization. In machine learning, you often start with an initial model and keep refining it based on new insights or feedbacks and results. So the more you iterate, the better your model will perform. Let's dive into why iterating and improving is crucial and how to approach it effectively. And of course, I also include why iteration matters. Dear friends, model refinement. Yes, machine learning models rarely work perfectly the first time. By iterating, you can fine-tune hyperparameters, adjust the features, and experiment with different algorithms to improve your model's performance. Each iteration helps you understand the model's strength and weakness better. Next, handling real-world complexity. Yes, dear friends, real-world data is noisy, incomplete, and complex. A model built with a single iteration might miss key patterns or fail to generalize well to unseen data. So here iteration allows you to refine model's ability to deal with the unpredictable nature of a real-world scenario. Next, learning from mistake. In the process of iteration, you will encounter mistakes and challenges. These setbacks are valuable learning experience. Identifying the area where your model fails allows you to make targeted improvements and avoid similar mistakes in the future. Next, optimization. The first version of your model may be good enough, but it can often be improved in terms of efficiency or speed of performance. By iterating, you can fine-tune the model to deliver better results, faster prediction, and lower computational cost. Okay, here I just give you best practice for iteration and improvement. First of all, set clear evaluation metrics. Always evaluate your model using clear and relevant metrics. This helps you understand how well the model is performing after each iteration and allows you to compare different iterations effectively. Next, document your changes. Keep track of the changes you make to your model, such as adjusting hyperparameters or adding new features or changing algorithms. This will help you understand the impact of each change and refine your approach over time. Next one, use version control. Dear friends, just like software development, version control system like Git can be valuable in machine learning projects. By versionizing your code, data, and model changes, you can track which iteration leads to improvement and which ones doesn't. So stay open to new ideas. Dear friends, machine learning is an evolving field. Stay updated with new research, techniques, and tools. Sometimes a novel approach or algorithm can significantly improve your model's performance. Let me just give you a case study. Recommender system. Yes, dear friends, recommender system like those used by Netflix or Amazon are great example for iterative improvement. They start with basic collaborative filtering algorithms. Then iterate by adding more features like user demographic or behavior. Over time, more advanced models such as deep learning or hybrid models are employed to refine recommendations. By continually iterating, the system becomes more accurate and personalized. Okay, today's takeaway. So, iteration is key to success in machine learning. Don't expect perfection from your model right away. Start simple, analyze error, refine your features, tune hyperparameters, and experiment with different algorithms. Through constant iteration, your model will improve and you will be able to achieve better performance over time. And yeah, dear friends, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who would enjoy learning about AI and machine learning. And got any questions, doubts, or topics you would like me to cover that is next, yeah, drop them in the comments below. And I will be happy to dive deeper in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, dear friends, and happy learning.